Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to connect Zendesk to n8n. This connection lets you automate tasks between Zendesk and other tools. You do not need to know how to code. You just need access to both n8n and Zendesk. Let's start. First, open your n8n instance. This can be a self-hosted version or the cloud version. Make sure you are logged in. Now, go to the top right and click on New Workflow. This will create a blank canvas where you can add nodes. Let's now add the first node. Click on the plus icon in the canvas. In the search box, type Zendesk. You should see a node called Zendesk. Click on it to add it to the workflow. Before you can use this node, you need to connect your Zendesk account. Click on the node you just added. On the left side, you will see an option called Credentials. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Create New. Now, we need to enter the details for the connection. You will need your Zendesk subdomain, email address, and an API token. If you don't have a token yet, go to your Zendesk account in another tab. Click on the gear icon in the lower left corner to open Admin Settings. Then go to the Apps and Integrations section and click on API. Make sure that Token Access is enabled. Then, under the Active API Tokens section, click Add API Token. Give your token a name, then copy the token that is shown. Save it somewhere safe because you will not see it again. Now go back to n8n. In the Subdomain field, type your Zendesk subdomain. This is the part before. Zendesk.com in your Zendesk URL. In the Email field, enter your Zendesk email. In the API Token field, paste the token you copied. Once all fields are filled, click Save Credentials. Now the Zendesk node is connected. Next, choose an operation for the node. Click the drop-down menu next to Operation. You will see a list of actions like Create Ticket, Get Ticket, or Update Ticket. Select the one that fits your needs. For this example, let's choose Get All Tickets. Now click on Execute Node to test the connection. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of tickets returned from your Zendesk account. You can now connect this Zendesk node to other nodes. For example, you can send ticket data to Google Sheets, Slack, or email. Just add another node and link it to the Zendesk node. Use the output from Zendesk as the input for the next tool. Don't forget to save your workflow. You can also set triggers to run it automatically, like on a schedule or when a webhook is received. That's it. You have now connected Zendesk to n8n and tested the connection with a basic operation. From here, you can build more complex workflows using other tools.